Welcome back to my channel. Today is a different video. It's an unboxing video. And I only have one thing to unbox, but I'm really excited because I've been wanting this item for 3 years. And I just got the package, so I'm doing an unboxing for you guys. Let's get started. So I was so impatient, I already opened the box, but it looks like this so far. It's from Bloomingdale's. Let's open it up. Can you guess what it is? You probably can. My goodness, my goodness. Okay. Just making sure that ooh, the box is very worn out and I'm really sad. So I didn't know this, but if you look at the price tag closely here, it says the original price was $6.80, but now in store they're selling for $6.95. Yeah, let's do this. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the Princeton Gucci loafer. I just need to make sure that these are actually brand new, because last week I got this package. Someone already wore the shoes and I was like, I didn't pay $700 for the used shoes. So, wow. The smell of leather. Wow, wow, wow. So condition wise, everything's good. I got these in size 39.5 because they run a little small, I believe, like half a size smaller. So I got that. Yeah. One thing I am a little disappointed in is the box, and honestly the box is so important because in the end, if you're trying to sell it later on, the box is super important that you have it, but it's taped up here and I'm really sad. Maybe I can ask for a different box, but that's fine. And of course there is a dust bag that comes with it, so I guess each dust bag is for each pair of shoes, or each side. Last week when I got the package, actually they didn't even have a dust bag, so yeah, this came straight from the warehouse because I complained about how they're sending me used items. So I complained and they sent me a brand new one from warehouse, except for the box I'm really sad about, but it's okay. These look super gorgeous. I'm so scared to wear them at the same time because I don't want to get scratched, of course. But let's remove this. There we go. Oh my god, it is gorgeous. Guys, I'm so happy now. Okay, so quick disclaimer. Obviously I'm not here to show off or anything, and I actually got this as a gift from my mom because I am graduating high school soon, and I either had a choice of getting a new MacBook, a new laptop for the school year, or get something else. And I chose this shoes because I honestly can use my MacBook for next 10 years and I wouldn't have a problem, whereas I've been wanting these Gucci shoes for the Whereas I've been wanting these shoes for 3 years, and so I don't know, I thought this was more worth it, and it's also cheaper than the MacBook. So I got these and I know I'll wear this every single day. So, I thought it was very worth it. And I honestly did. I just told my mom once and I didn't think she would buy it for me, but she did. And it's because past 4 years in high school I worked really hard, and I guess she thought I deserved it and she treated me. So yeah. My mom never spoils me, by the way. She never buys me anything. It's always been my money, my work, my money. But it's been a while since she got me something, and who knew it was gonna be an item this big with a big worth item. But yeah, I'm really thankful for her. So yeah, I guess that was all my unboxing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Okay guys, so before we end this video, I thought I would do a review of these shoes. So here is my honest opinion on these Gucci Princeton shoes. First of all, let's talk about the bottom part of it. So I don't even know how this already happened, but the front part of the shoes already chipped. This actually happened on the first day I wore it, and obviously I would be super careful when wearing these because obviously these are super expensive, but I don't even know how this already happened on the first day I wore these. So yeah, the bottom is really worn out already, And not gonna lie, like they're not the best quality, and I do not think it's really worth the money if this is already gonna happen. So let's talk about the front. So obviously I knew there were going to be bent marks everywhere on these front part of the shoe because the leather is very gentle. It's not the best leather, I would say, but anyway, there were a lot of bent marks, and yeah, there is no going back. This gets scratches super easily, so overall I don't think it's really worth $700 to $800 honestly, but I mean it's like good brand leather shoes. So I guess if you're wanting it, then go for it, but I just don't think I would wear it enough because I'm so scared to get these scratched. But yeah, I would give this about like 8 out of 10 because the bottom part is just so fragile and I'm just really scared. But yeah, other than that, this is honestly a daily go-to shoes. They're so comfortable once you break them in. Also, I would size up a little bit, or half size, or like even a full size, because they run small a little bit. I think that's all I have to say, and so I'll end the video here. Bye!